Hey everyone! Life can be so cruel, like when the kit arrives and I have to leave, but I'm gonna start with showing you the March goodies, so I'll probably have to break in the middle. Anyway, that's not important. Let's see what we're playing with. Okay, let's start with the papers in the main kit. So we have, oh, my desk is such a mess. We have from Chamel box of crayons. This is called A New Thought, and I love this paper. It's so adorable, and you could use it. I think actually it would be a fantastic background, really fun, but I can also see myself just using this part. I think this is navy and not really black. I'm not sure, but there's like just a lot of possibilities, I feel, with such a paper. You could really use strips of it or punch circles. I think that would be a lot of fun. I love yellow, and yeah, fun paper. The other side is this pattern, which would be great for layers, and then the manufacturer strip is also a fun one. From Maggie Holmes Flourish, it's called Songbird, and this side has these cute birdies. Super cute. You could fussy cut them or punch a circle or something. And the other side is a really great versatile pattern, I feel. It's like what is it, like a reddish color on light pink. From Dear Lizzie Stay Colorful, this is called Mood Ring, and this has this lovely kind of marbled effect. I think this would also be a really fun background, and maybe add some white paint around your photo. Really cute. And then, ooh, I love this side. I love yellow. So this side has these little white star or like asterisks on a yellow background, and for me yellow is a great accent color. Also there is a little bit of yellow here, so I would probably use that, you know, as a layer or something like that, where only a little bit shows. This gorgeous floral is Dear Lizzie Stay Colorful, and I think this is really asking to be fussy cut. I love the colors, super pretty, very feminine, just a nice springy color palette. I love it that, you know, some of the leaves are like a coral color and not just green. Love it. And the other side is this cute confetti print, and then the manufacturer strip has these cute ice creams. Maggie Holmes Flourish, this is called Ponderosa, and this side is this cute lemon and flourish type of paper. And then the other side is probably my, like, definitely the one I would prefer using. This is the type of pattern that I don't know how to use, just because it's so busy and large. But this one I love. So this is like a pink on, I don't know, either a very light pink or a cream color. Very indecisive pattern. And I think this would be great for background layers, whatever you want. From Jen Hatfield, Homemade. The collection is called Patio Party, and the paper is called Breezy, and it's just a really gorgeous pattern. I really like it. So beautiful, light aqua color. And then the other side is this dark tone on tone floral, which would be very dramatic, and I think I saw one of the design team members, I think it was Lisa, that used it, and it looked amazing. But I am all about the light colors, so I'll enjoy using this. Maggie Holmes Flourish, this is called Nostalgic, and this side has this beautiful vintage pattern, but this side calls my name. I love black and white or black and cream patterns, and this is, I think this is beautiful. You could fussy cut these and make that into an element of your design. It's just very dramatic and a little bit serious, I would probably say, than my usual style. But it is a beautiful paper. From Paige Evans Pick Me Up, this is paper number 6, and this side is this multicolored triangular print, and I love this side. I think this would be a great background. Again, I would consider using something like white paint around your photo. beautiful. Yeah, just a pretty paper. From Jen Hatfield Patio Party, this is Flutter Flies, and this side has these cute black butterflies on kind of pinkish background, and the other side is again this black dramatic tone on tone gray, I guess. Let's say black on dark gray, I guess. I think these are fantastic for backgrounds if you like the contrast. Everything really pops when you use such a dark background. Maybe I'll challenge myself. I did use in, what was it, January, I think? I used black cardstock and I really loved how that turned out. So maybe I will consider doing it again. So let's pick one of my favorites, this, and see what else we have. For the main kit, we have the Patio Party printed chipboard phrase stickers, and these have different words and phrases. I think these are fantastic. I would probably alter them just because they're a little bit dark for my personal taste, but I love all the different fonts. The scripty font is fantastic. What else do we have in the main kit? We have this gorgeous kind of copper alpha. This is called Memo Foil Chipboard Letter Stickers, and it has two fonts which I love. So one is like caps and then the other one is regular, and yeah, super pretty. And I like the size. I like alpha that is not ginormous. We have deciding what to show you. Ooh, pretty. The Maggie Holmes Flourish stickers, and very classic Maggie Holmes. Super pretty. Love the florals. And there are gold accents and cute cameras. Very cute images. Butterflies. And ooh, look at these cameras. And the accents are the same like the alpha. So kind of copper accents. So this would be a good match to use both of these. We have from Jen Hatfield Homemade the ephemera. There are 40 pieces and that's how they look. Very, very cute. So kind of has a home or like garden theme to it with flamingos because we all have flamingos around. And these are gorgeous. These are Jen Hatfield butterfly stickers. There are 8 and they are layered. So I don't know if you can see that. Let's take them out. I have to go soon. It's not right. I need to savor. Oops. Oopsie. Okay, be careful. Don't do that. Nothing happened. They're very sturdy, so you can't really mess them up. And they have, so I'll try to show you. So they have 2 layers of this acetate. There we go. 2 layers of the acetate. The top one has the pattern, and then there is a foam adhesive to help you pop them up on your layout. Super, super pretty. This is like the perfect, you know, finishing touches, embellishment. It just, you get so much detail, and yeah, these are lovely. Okie dokie, so that's the main kit. Let's move on to, oh, I'll show you the papers. If you want more papers, you can get the pattern paper add-on, which has all the papers in the main kit. I think this month it's the same. Some months there are like specialty papers or an extra pattern paper, but I think this month it's the same, yeah. And the color, the Cardstock Kit this month has this pretty buttery yellow. It's by Basil and it's called Chiffon. It's a beautiful color. This is probably, I really love when Kimberly includes these light pink ones. This is called Pinkini, and you can see it's just a beautiful light pink. We also have vellum. So this is white vellum from Basil. I love vellum, so super happy about that. This is, I don't know what it's called, so it's probably American Crafts. really bright green. It coordinates beautifully with the kit. It's not the type of color that I use, but what I use these, I either mount 12 by 12 layouts just on top of them. For example, if I'm using mixed media and the cardstock gets a little bit buckled, then I glue it to another piece of cardstock to flatten it, or I use these to cut files on my silhouette that I want to use as stencils or with mixed media. That's what I do with colors of cardstock that I don't, that I wouldn't use on my layouts. We have this kind of light teal color, I would say. This is robin's egg. Okay, so it's a robin's egg color. And then two white ones. These are called avalanche, and they are textured. So I'm not sure if the camera will see that. I think so. So that's the cardstock kit. And I have to go now, but I'll be back soon. You won't notice that I'm gone, thanks to the wonders of video. So we'll see the other kits in a minute. The color kit this month is really fun. So we get this watercolor set from Vicky Boutin, and there are 18 tubes of watercolor. And I'm gonna have a separate video, and I will swatch these for you, and also probably do give you some ideas on creating some backgrounds in your scrapbook with them. And this is Iridescent Glaze. Let's see how it looks. So I'm pretty sure you could mix these together and get all kinds of interesting effects. Okay, so this is pretty thick. Interesting. And it has an iridescent finish to it. So I'm not sure if I should use it like a modeling paste. I don't know. I will have to play and see. Yeah, that's exciting. Sorry, I'm looking at my watch. Let's look at the embellishment kit. We get, these are gorgeous, gold safety pins from Jen Hatfield. And these are super cute. These are from American Crafts, I guess some party line, and there are 4 decorative trims, and my favorite is this and this, and I love the coral color. So these are fantastic, something a bit different. Love these. Let's see what else. Trying to pick my favorites. We have these Hazel fabric chipboard letter stickers. So they have like a fabric finish, kind of looks a bit like canvas or something, and it's a lovely scripty font. We have these. What are these? These are Pinkfresh Studio BU trying to think, chipboard stickers, 44 pieces, and they are beautiful, and they have also this copper foil to them. I love the messy foil look on these, and yeah, really cute, really pretty, soft colors. I like all the peach, and the frames are really cute. We have these Pinkfresh Studio layered stickers from Let Your Heart Decide, and these would also coordinate really well with the February kits, because we had a lot of this collection in that kit. And that's fun. The Maggie Holmes Flourish ephemera pieces includes 9 vellum pieces, and I'll show you, as usual, crate paper, always tons of stuff, lots of big pieces, so these would be fun for layers. And that's it. That's the embellishment kit. Okay, last but not least is the Project Life card, and I've been loving these lately. I use them all the time on my layouts, and I also have a video on Sunday that will be up on Sunday showing you how to use these in your memory planner. So I'll just show you. These are one-sided, and it's lovely thick cardstock weight paper. Beautiful soft colors, and yeah, these are obviously perfect for pocket pages, but also for layouts. So I'll just flip through them fast. Oh, so pretty. Oh, look at that. Love it. Oh, I love this one too. So pretty, the yellow. Love all the yellow. The whole story. So some have just pattern, and then others have some like are fantastic for journaling spots. This was the best day ever. I love this simple ledger. Cute floral. So these are the cards. And what else do we have in the kit? So I'll just zoom out again, not in, out a little bit. We have the I Am collection from Simple Stories. These are the chipboard stickers, and you can see how lovely they are. And for the alpha, we have these puffy alpha stickers in navy from Pink Fresh Studio, The Mix. I really love this size of alpha, and also I really prefer the puffy ones as opposed to the ones that are just on a sticker sheet, because they're just easier to handle. What else? We have these Twilight One Canoe 2 sheets of rub-ons. So these would be fun actually with the watercolors, because they can act as a resist. And these are fun. So these are fabric die cuts from Pink Fresh Studio BU, and this is what you get. So I really like a variety of finishes, so it's fun to have something like this. Then we have these also from Pink Fresh Studio, and I think these colors are fantastic. I will ignore the bright red. Green, because that's just not my color. And we get the 4 sheets of stickers, 411 stickers, and look at these. These are fantastic, and I already have an idea on how I want to use them. So you get 2 sets of alphas, gorgeous. And then lots of word stickers and labels, and I just love these. I love them. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.